guys, today I'll be showing you 20 Canva shortcuts to help you design faster. Let's get started. The first on the list is to zoom out. To zoom out, all you need to do is to click on the Control key and the minus sign, just like this. Now let's go over to the second one. The second one is to zoom in. To zoom in, all you have to do is to click on the Control key and the plus sign, which is what you can see. The third one is to send elements forward. For example, I have this element and this, and I want to send the one at the back forward. All I need to do is to click on the Control key and this mark you have on your screen. So this and this. That's the Control key. I'm going to first of all select the element, then Control, then the key. This is it. The next one, number 4, to send element backward. You first off click on the element, then Control and the other, which is this. Number 5 is to change text to either upper or lowercase. So you have a text and you just want to quickly change the text to a lowercase or an uppercase. I'm going to use this text, for example. What you first need to do is to click on the text, then click Control, Shift, and then the K key. You can see it goes to lowercase. I'm going to do it again. Control, Shift, and the K key. And that is all. Number 6 on the list is to undo your edit. For example, you made an edit and you want to undo it. What you need to do is to click on the Control and the Z key. For example, I'm going to delete this now so you can see. So I'm going to click Control and the Z key. Now that's it. That's Control plus Z. That's the Z key and Control. The next on the list, to redo the changes you've made, you have to click Control and the Y key. To duplicate a text or an element, all you have to do is to click element first or the text, then the Control and the letter D. I'm going to show you. Control and D, duplicated. I'm going to delete this and do it again. Control D. Click on the text, Control and D. This is it. Number 9, for example, if you're tired of using images and you want to using the random normal human images and you want something spicier, to get 3D human images, all you need to do is to search 3D human. What you can see on your screen where the cursor is are 3D images. So you go to Photos and you search 3D humans. You can see them here. I'm going to delete this and search again. "3D humans." These are the options available. All of these. So you can just select lots and lots of 3D images you have here. And that is it for number 9. Number 10, to search for images without the background. That means you want to search for an image, but you don't want an image that has a background. All you have to do is to open up your photos. For example, I want to search for a girl, but I need a girl without a background. So what I do is girl, then cut out. You can see it brings out images without background. Majority of the images here don't have background, so it makes it easier. And if you want to filter your search, you can just click on this button here Then you filter the search to either free, pro, anyhow you want it, or any of the orientations. Moving forward, number 11, to add rectangle. So you don't want to go to elements, you just want to quickly add rectangle. All you have to do is to tap on the arrow key. This is it. You can now change the rectangle, the color, to any color of your choice. I'm going to delete this. Number 12, to add a circle, what you need to do is to just tap on the C key. This is it. You can then resize the circle to either be this way or like this, depending on what you are trying to achieve. I'm going to delete this. Number 13, to add lines. What you need to do is to add lines is to tap on the letter key, letter L, and this is it. You can always change the color, change the weight, and change the style. I'm going to delete this. To make your text italic, what you need to do is to select the text. I've selected my text now. Then you click on Control and L. Control L. Select your text. I'm going to do this again. Then Control L. Oh, I'm so sorry. You select your text, then Control I rather, not Control L. So Control I. You can see that the text is italic. I'm going to do it again. Now it's no longer italic. Control I. And this is it. 15, to make the text bold, you select the text, then click Control B. This is bold. Then this is it. Control B. You can see the text is now bold. Number 16, to add text, all you need to do is to tap the T key, which is this. That's the letter T on your keyboard. Tap the letter T. To select all elements, all you have to do is to click Control A. This is it. Click Control A to select all elements. To group elements, what you need to do is to select the elements you want to group. You press the Shift key, then select the element you want to group, which is what you can see on your screen. Then you click Control G to group them. Now it is grouped, like as you can see here. I'm going to ungroup it. Number 19, to select multiple objects. So you don't want to select all the elements or objects you have. So you don't want to do Control A, you don't want to select all of the elements. You just want to select a few of them and leave some. This is what you can do. You select the object and then click the Shift key. You can see. So not all of the objects here are being selected. I'm going to unselect this. So you click on the Shift and you select the object. The last one, to copy and paste designs. For example, you have this, you've seen this template and there's this element in the template you want to copy. I'm going to show you now. There's this element in the template you want to copy, but you don't know what the element is. For example, I want to copy, I'm going to randomly open an element here so you can see what I mean. changing the color so it can be visible. So I saw this element here, but I don't know how to search for it. What you can easily do, or you just want to move from a design you once created to the design you're currently working on, what you should do is to click on the element, then Control C, go to your design you want to paste the edit to, then Control V. Automatically it goes there. You can also do so for all of the elements, for all of this, just like this. Control A, like I mentioned earlier, copied everything. Control C, going back to my design, I want to paste them here. Control V. You see it just like that. So I'm going to delete this. And that is it for the Canva shortcut. Let me know if you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.